Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Julia. So guys, I'll be showing you how I did this packing gel. So just a simple way to style your hair, you know. So maybe you are in a hurry, you're going somewhere so quick, so this is really easy to do. So I was preparing to go to school in the morning, so I said, okay, let me just instead of leaving my hair like that, I said, okay, let me just do the simple packing gel. Though my hair was not, I was having undergrow, so it was hard for me to pack it with the gel very well. The gel was not really holding my natural hair very well, but it was manageable, so I have to manage it like that. So that is it, guys. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. It's my son. You know, kids, when you are making a video, they only disturb, so that's why I usually do voiceover in most of my videos. So I was trying to slip it very well so it can lay down my natural hair. So guys, if you are new here, you're highly welcome. Thank you to my new returnees. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you to my new subscribers. I'm seeing you guys. Thank you for loving my channel. I really do appreciate it with all my heart, guys. So
there's not much to do.
Welcome to this beautiful channel. You know,
there's not much to do
for my voice, so I'm having a my voice is breaking somehow. So I was just trying to give it a style at the front of my hair. So I don't know what I was doing, but I know I was trying to do something like, you know, to style, give it a little style, baby hair. So though it came out a little bit okay, but it's manageable. Please guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? It's free of charge. Please do subscribe to my channel. By helping me, I really do appreciate that. If you already subscribed, God bless you. Anyway guys, I'll be leaving you guys to watch the rest video because my son is making noise in the background. So I'll be you know, switching to music now. Bye guys. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.